Boom, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is Nick Schmidt. Oh, going for a fist bump. I feel like, push me, go with that. This is Nick Schmidt of Sunshine State RVs. This is a problem. We are starting way too early. We are here, obviously in Gainesville.
Yes.
And we're right in front of us is a Midwest Patriot MD4.
Yeah.
This is an RV.
This is a full-blown RV with lithium and a shower, a toilet,
Right.
a stove, a sink, a full-blown RV.
Yes, very useful.
Very useful.
Now behind us in the background there, I don't know if you guys could see it, right back there, here I'll follow you, is what Midwest considers like a cruiser.
Let's actually walk this way.
Yeah.
So first we can give Hank a little credit. He's like a kid with a candy store, it's his new toy. He posts these YouTube videos of it that nobody watches. Everyone cares about these things.
I know, everyone wants to see the van video, so we give the people what they want.
So we'll do a 10-second run through of this.
Yeah.
So run through there, Hank.
Right, here you go, MD4,
RV,
4 seats up front, and then you go in,
shower,
and you have
toilet,
more stuff, yeah.
Couch, TV, everything there. Yep. Then, this is what's cool. So this is why Midwest started off like in 2000, 2001, making limo vans on Mercedes Sprinter chassis. And they ended up doing both the cruiser style, which is like the limo business class, and the RV, and they do both. Right. And they sell both equally as well. Both are equally as luxurious. And that's the thing. So they're both RVIA certified. They both qualify for RV financing.
Right.
The difference is this doesn't have a shower. If you want me to nail it down in one thing, this doesn't have a shower, that does. So this is the big back. If you don't need the bathroom or you're not using it, they do make a cover that you can put over it like this. Okay. And you can just pile luggage here.
Yeah,
so
but for the RV thing, you do need this to be here if people want to know. Because some people say, well, why is there a toilet? It's just a technicality. It works, but you can cover it up.
I use the bathroom, don't you?
That's not my question. I got to deal with the questions just like you do. But technically, that's why you need the toilet.
So this can still get 20-year financing. This can be insured like an RV. It's a Midwest Patriot Cruiser.
Yeah, I'll give you guys a look.
This has 10 seat belts in it. So this is a limo style. This is what I like Hank to drive me around in when I'm going
I'll be happy to, man. This is an awesome ride to
look how sweet this is. I mean, this is just so cool. With the
if you want to do a limo business, this is the way to go.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but what's cool about it is it's just so stinking comfortable. 10 seat belts. So I got 4 kids. They all got boyfriends, girlfriends, friends, this, that. They want to bring the whole crew with them everywhere they go. We roll 10 deep.
Someone they met that day.
Hey, come on, jump in. So we jump in one of these. This is what I drive. I drive one of these with my family all the time. So this does have a little bit of a kitchen. So this has a sink with hot and cold water. It has a microwave. Okay. It has a refrigerator, which is very cool. Then if you come here,
you'll have to grab the camera.
It has a fan with a light. It does have an AC vent here. I can feel the cold air. So that's very nice.
I can see Jerry Springer instead of you in there. They should do a waterfall door between
10 seat belts.
Right.
You have a place to sleep, lots of places to drive.
So these convert into a bed?
They do very easily. So you just lift it up just like this and drop it there.
Oh, nice. Okay,
now you have a bed that is, it's almost 6 feet, right at 6 feet long. Okay. Right.
So in a lot of ways, this is more flexible. Like there's a lot of people who do not use the shower.
Correct.
In the RVs, they buy the RVs, but they don't use the shower.
That is a true statement.
So for folks who have a lot of people right now, grandkids, all that kind of stuff, they could have this and still do a lot of things. You can always use showers at like, what is it? Like
Planet Fitness or Love's truck stops.
Yeah.
You can take a shower at a truck stop.
Yeah, you could do your laundry, all that stuff, yeah. So, and then does this have as much storage?
No,
or
not as much. It has some, so it has, you know, I should have brought my tape measure. Somebody asked me the other day, Nick, bring a tape measure in your videos. Here's my arm, how's that?
Yeah, measure, how long is your arm?
I don't know. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these.
I think the massage seats are on that one.
Yeah, you feel that?
Yeah.
They all have massage seats.
So
all 6 of these. This is called the D6 floor plan.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the dinette.
So in these limos, you have several different, I think when I was at the factory, I saw U-shaped sofas and everything.
Yeah, so some don't have bathrooms. Some people just don't want a toilet, they don't want a bathroom. Right. And for the ones that don't have a bathroom, you can do like a U-shaped one here. You can do like a big, huge TV back here with just storage back here for luggage. You can do just a bunch of chairs.
I saw something that had a partition up front here. So you, so like if you really want to section off your driver, that's cool. That's
Yes.
cool. Yeah.
But and we always talk about what kind of person buys this, what kind of person buys that. There's somebody at my desk yesterday who's part of the New York Yankees organization.
Oh, really?
Not allowed to say who.
Okay.
But they were at my desk yesterday.
Is it Derek Jeter?
I'm not allowed to say.
Okay.
They had
All
a
right.
big New York Yankees diamond ring on.
Oh, sweet.
They were there yesterday, and they were ordering one of these.
Yeah.
And so they were like, you know what? We've had Prevos, we've had big buses in the past, and we just don't need all that space. What we need is go to grandkids' house, and go to this person's house, and go to this music festival, and go to this ham radio. Their ham radio.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
Ham radio
things. People.
And so they just wanted something that they can travel in without a shower, and they don't really need to sleep in it. But if they want to take a nap, they can just recline their feet and take a nap.
Yeah, or you can set up that bed. Let's go up front here.
So
you can
this
really
is also
use this
cool.
as an office.
So
I
yes,
see. Yeah.
so if you're working, if you need to work out of it, it does have internet.
There's USBs here. I don't know what this thing is, but
that is the Fusion radio. So
it has a cover.
It's just a cover.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay. So you can.
So this has an HDMI port here, so you can play video games. You can hook your laptop up here.
Yeah.
And then whatever you're seeing will show up there. So if you're back here giving a presentation to all your peeps,
they can look
there.
So I just noticed there's a control panel in the back, but there's one there too.
And there's one right there.
And there's one there.
And there's one
up front. Yeah.
They're everywhere.
What's going on?
Everybody.
And there's a massive TV here in this one too.
So this actually has 3 desks setups.
Okay.
So you got one here, you got one there,
So
you
I
got
think
one
these
there.
seats are on also. I could feel it.
Really?
So let me ask you, do these? Yeah. So do these turn around or?
They do.
Okay.
So there's a little lever. If you want, when you're driving,
You can
talk
have a meeting.
Right.
Yeah.
So what's cool is if you're sitting here just like this,
Right.
and you want to move this thing.
You could put it up.
And put it up and
Yeah. You could kick all the way back.
recline back, lift your feet up. Not everyone's legs are as long as mine, but these have been sold. I sold one of these to Steph Curry.
Wow.
Carrie Underwood bought one of these.
Oh, wow.
Shaquille O'Neal, Kardashians, they've all bought these things from us.
It's got all the stuff that a Mercedes would have up front. You have the cameras.
4-camera security
so you can
system.
see in front here.
You got all the Firefly,
all
the Mercedes options.
All the trimmings that go in with that Midwest does with these. So like you've got, it's luxury all the way through.
Oh yeah, this is definitely, JL audio, kicking sound system.
Yeah.
AC is on right now. The engine's on. All these cool lights. I mean, there's so much that Midwest does in these.
Like what options do you have? What options do you
optional.
have with this?
So like I said, this has air ride. This has air ride. These massaging seats are optional.
Okay. You could do different floors and different.
You can do different floors, different colors,
different.
You can
seating.
do I'm pricing one out for the Duke Blue Devils, Duke University.
Right.
They want Duke logos in all the headrests.
Okay.
If I was in order one for a Florida Gator coach, they would have Gator logos all in it.
Can you do like orange and blue in here? For
Midwest will fully customize these things.
Okay.
Customize the outside color, customize the inside. We've done roof racks, we've done spare tire carrier. We've made one of these overland. There was a resort out in Montana that wanted one, and they wanted it overland. So we did did off-road wheels, all kinds of cool stuff.
I've seen big racks, the big roof racks on them. Yeah, when I was at the factory.
They do the type of stuff that like a custom build factory would do.
Because that's what
But they're not custom build. They are one of the biggest manufacturers there are, but they do so much custom stuff that's very cool.
Very nice. Yeah. I like this.
Ron does a great job. All the guys up there, they build a great product. They give you lots of options. There's nothing more luxurious on the market than one of these business class vans.
I've seen comedians, like I was looking at, I think Chris Rock and Kevin Hart did a Netflix thing. Yeah. And I think Kevin Hart had some kind of van.
We pick our customers up from the airport in one of these.
Yeah. If you have a family, someone was asking me about it today. Like if you have a big family and you're, like you were saying with your family, you guys are going to the movies or going to dinner. I always get like, it's crazy when everyone has a different car and you're all going to the same place. But if you can all go in the same vehicle, you can have fun, talk, especially like here we live in Gainesville. Really, we've got to go a few hours to go to a big movie theater.
Yeah, like Orlando or Tampa.
Yeah. So or going even to the mall and stuff like that. It's very nice. So I can borrow yours whenever I want to, right?
Something like that.
I mean, I'll let you drive my Cybertruck.
Do you have a CDL driver's license?
You don't have to have that for that. I know better.
It's a question. Hey,
you just try to put a roadblock in.
Do you have
No, I don't.
Well, then.
Oh, wow.
You don't need a CDL to drive it. Just Hank needs a CDL to drive mine.
I'm gonna borrow. I'm telling you, I'm gonna borrow one of these. We're doing a video. You guys let me know what you want to see in that video. Maybe I'll do something like we'll get my kids, their friends, we'll go to the mall or hang out or something like that. Because I think that this really would be a cool option for someone who does travel, but not that much, because their kids are growing up and they want to do things with the kids.
And that's why people buy it, because you're like, hey, I don't need a shower in it. I want a bunch of seat belts, but I want to be able to go. And you know, it's cool. Midwest offers a full lithium package in it. So if you did want to sleep in it, you turn the engine off, the lithium batteries would power everything in it.
Okay, that's what I was going to ask you about the AC. The AC in
right now, the engine's on.
Oh, okay, so
it's
typically
engine-driven air conditioner.
It's engine-driven. Okay, so typically with this, you have to have the engine going to run the AC. So that's different from the RVs.
Yes.
But there is something you can do if someone wants to be able to do that.
Yes.
So, okay, very nice. What do you want the folks to know before we get out?
Well, we have these here at Sunshine State RVs, different colors, different options. We have used ones, we have new ones. I mean, this is definitely a great segment of the market that isn't a full-blown RV, but it's like your grandparents' conversion van used to be back in the 80s and 90s.
Right. My first van was a conversion van.
Was it really?
Yeah, that's what we have with the kids.
The modern...
This is what they expected we were buying when we bought from you, and they were like, wait a second, how come we can't sit in this thing? Because ours is just for 2 people.
It was done on purpose.
Right, exactly. This is what they think we should buy.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Very cool. All right. Make sure that you go to the website or check out Sunshine State RV on YouTube. You guys have videos. You can go to the website and get info to contact, or even do it through the videos, or call up.
Yeah, give us a call. We got all this stuff in stock. We deliver free anywhere in the country. We have our Sunshine State Elite program, which is a phenomenal program. Ask about it. Hank will give you information. Guaranteed service appointments, valet service we pick up. Lots of cool things that shows our commitment to customers.
Yeah. What I think is interesting, when I went to the factory, you can even get this in shorter, in like a 144.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's called a D4.
Really cool. Have you
it just
seen
has those
here?
2 seats, and well, yeah, we have one.
Oh, you have one right now. Oh, those are kind of cool too. Because if you are worried about parking something bigger, so how many people do those fit at the most?
So those have driver, passenger, these 2 seats, and then 2 couches. So it has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh wow! Even though it's a 144. Okay, very nice. There you go. All right, we put all the information we could put in here. After this, you got to come down to Sunshine State RV.
Yes.
All right, I'll let you go. I'll let you do this one. We can go. You haven't done it in a while, Nick.
Thanks for watching. This is Hank Strange in my Cybertruck that nobody cares about.
We're out of here. Peace.